Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and do a quick video, and I want you to start thinking about this when you're going to service any service department in the world, not just at Joe Longheimer Chevrolet, but anywhere you're getting your car serviced and it's a dealership, which means you can go to a lot where there's no service department, body shop, but any dealership you go to, I want you to keep this in mind. Please keep this in mind. Because of the chip shortage, there will be less cars for you as customers, that when you go into a dealership and you get looking to get your car serviced and you want to get a rental car, there's going to be less cars for customers to have on rental or to have when you service your car. When you take your car into service, depends on whether it's covered under warranty, and sometimes if it's not covered under warranty, the dealership will give you a rental. We call it a CTP. That's our term at the dealership that we use to put a customer in a rental. There are going to be less cars available for you to get into if you go into the dealership and you're looking to get your car serviced and you got to get a car, you got to go to work, you got to go this place, you got to go that place. The reason is because the chip. There is over 1,400 chips in a vehicle currently. Not on each vehicle, but I did my homework on a vehicle, which means that because demand is high and supply is low, which means it's a demand of new cars, but supply is low. So that means when you go to a dealership, you're gonna drive a new car, or you're gonna have a car that has maybe 20 miles on it, 30 miles on it, in some cases 1,000. And you're gonna be able to drive that car while your car is in service. Now it's gonna be a shortage of these cars is because we at Joe Longheimer Chevrolet, we're putting less cars into the CTP or the rental service. It's because we have less cars on our lot. So that means that you're gonna suffer and you're not gonna have that option to get a rental car. Don't be surprised, don't be upset that you need to plan when it comes to taking your car in service. Taking your car to the dealership, want to get out in 20 minutes, want to get out in an hour, want to get out in 2 hours. It just really depends on what day you go and how busy the dealership is. You know, we have had customers that have called the dealership. We've been maybe 5 days to a week out of getting a vehicle serviced. So the chip shortage is hurting every area of the dealership. Again, the chip shortage is hurting every area of the dealership. Because not just in service, but in body shop. When you bring your car to the body shop at a dealership, a new car dealership, or it may be a used car dealership, you may get a rental. But now, you may be in line to get a rental. So don't be upset. Be patient with us. And remember, just because I'm in Michigan, it's happening in dealers across the United States. So be patient. Know that the reason the chip shortage is because of COVID-19. Also realize this. Remember when, we were sitting at home for a couple months or a month and a half. Everybody was using their laptops more. People were using their phones more. People were buying more laptops. People were buying more computers. People were just buying more items. Just remember, these items required chips. So that's one of the reasons why we're on a shortage of chips also too. So everybody's being affected. So I hope this video helps. And remember, the next time you need to schedule service at a dealership, be smart, be patient. Be smart, be patient. Because it's not always going to be like this. I hope this video helps. And if you're watching this video, of course, you're on my channel. Subscribe to my channel. You have any comments? Put them in the bottom of this video. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.